Hello. Hello, everybody. How the heck are you today? I wanted to talk a little bit about why. Why do I feel the need to, raise my own consciousness, to inspire you to raise yours? There is a really big elephant in a lot of rooms today. And that elephant looks like genetically modified foods. It looks like colors and dyes in our foods and additives. It looks like unclean, healthy water to drink. It looks like children being stolen and dropped into a human trafficking slave market. It looks like a third of our children are obese. And it looks like more than half of the people on this planet are on prescription drugs. This is the consciousness that we're living in right now. This is the reality that we have chosen, that we have bought into. And the whole purpose of what I teach, of what I live, of what I inspire the human race to do is to start taking responsibility for ourselves, to start imagining the world that we wish to see. I cannot believe that it is 2025 and we are dealing with all of these atrocities on the planet. The plastics, excuse me, the plastics in the oceans, the adulterated food that we have no choice of buying right now, we think, the unclean water, the abuse that is going rampant on pharmaceutical painkillers. The child trafficking. How is this possible that this is happening on our planet at this time? Because we are living in unprecedented times of survival and autopilot. We are believing everything that is out there as the reality that we have to accept. We don't have to accept it. Whatever you get most angry about, whatever just gets under your skin the most, whether it's animal cruelty, human trafficking, GMOs, unclean drinking water, anything that raises your blood pressure and gets you mad, that is where your energy needs to be focused. Not on what is happening, but what needs to happen. I've heard spiritual teachers time and time again talk about, we have this war on drugs, and this war on crime, and this war on this, and this war on that. Keep using that language, people. Keep buying into the fact that we have a war to fight. And as the Dalai Lama said, if you don't think that one person can make a difference, one being can't make a difference, try sleeping in a room with a mosquito. We have an opportunity to take back our lives, to take back hope, to take back imagining the dreams that we have for the planet, that we have for ourselves. And the best way that we can raise awareness and consciousness on the planet is to do it in our own life. We have to do it in our own lives because we are everything. We are a part of the greater whole. And so when you feel small and that you can't make a difference, go inward. Ask your higher self. Ask your supreme being of all knowing, of all benevolence, of all gentleness, of all kindness, of all generosity, of nothing but unconditional love. What would love do? How would love think? And then get still and wait for the response. It doesn't serve anybody to get angry and to throw language out there and do things that are just perpetuating these atrocities on the planet. Because our own atrocities, our private atrocities, are adding to the perpetuation of all of the fear that we're seeing on the planet. So if you want to make a difference, if you want to see a world of hope and peace and of beauty and of prosperity for everybody and joy and absolute unconditional love for your neighbor, embody that yourself. Let's start taking responsibility for our role in what is happening on the planet. Our thoughts drive everything. Our intentions are so incredibly powerful. There have been studies, scientific studies, proving that people from all over the globe meditating and praying and intention setting at the same time has the ability to create change in the world. You get to be the change. You're not too small. You're not unimportant. Your voice, your being, your aliveness matters. It matters greatly. And I don't know about you, but I imagine all of these things, all of these beautiful, amazing things for all of us. And I believe that it's possible. And in order for it to happen, we have to become the change we wish to see. Thanks for listening.